My entire business is all about selling knowledge. I have written and published 100 books, created numerous online training courses, and set up a YouTube channel that has more than 3 million subscribers. Now, if you want to learn how to sell your own knowledge to create a successful business, stay tuned because I am here to help you. And just very quickly, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am here to help you start and grow a hugely successful business. I can only do that if you are subscribed. And please give the video a like because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So to help you set up and run a highly successful business, I will cover the following 4 things in this tutorial. Number 1, I will explain why selling your knowledge is the number 1 best method for making money online right now. Number 2, I will teach you the different types of products and services you can create to sell your knowledge. Number 3, I will then tell you where to sell your knowledge online to huge numbers of ready-made customers. And then number 4, I will tell you where you can get instant access to my full catalog of internet business training courses. So to begin with, let me explain why selling your knowledge is the number 1 best method for making money online. Now, selling your knowledge is far easier than you think. Over the years, you have built up a wealth of experience and knowledge that other people need and want. So for example, I was a firefighter for 17 years, and my first information product was a book entitled How to Become a Firefighter. Now that book, and the many others I wrote and published, made me a millionaire. I was basically selling the information and knowledge I had gained in my life to people who really needed it. I'll give you another example. A friend of mine went on a training course to learn how to set up an internet business. He then went on to sell information products that taught other people how to set up their own internet businesses, and he made millions in the process. Now, the truth is, you are already an expert and you have the information that other people are willing to pay for. All you have to do is create a product or service and then monetize it. So to help you, the first thing I want you to do is write down your answers to the 3 questions that follow. Your answers will give you some great ideas for selling the information and knowledge you have accumulated over the years. Here's those 3 questions. Question number 1 to ask yourself is, what am I good at doing that other people ask me for advice on? For example, people kept asking me how could they join the fire service. I then wrote a book on how to become a firefighter. You might be really good at maths, for example, and other people have asked you to teach their children. You might have a passion for healthy food and nutrition, and you have some wonderful recipes that people keep asking you about. Or you might be good with money, invested wisely, and that knowledge can be passed on to other people. Now, once you have your answer to that question, what am I good at doing that other people ask me for advice on, you will then have some great ideas for the type of information products you can create and sell. The second question to ask yourself is, what qualifications do I have? Or what training courses have I completed in the past? Now let's assume you have a degree or a top grade qualification in a difficult subject. You could write a book or publish a training course on how to pass those examinations, or you could teach people how to study effectively online. Alternatively, you may have attended a training course in the past that was tedious, boring, and unnecessarily drawn out. You could create and deliver your own online training course on that subject that is concise, to the point, and highly educational. So again, once you have the answer to the question, what qualifications do I have, or what training courses have I completed in the past, you will have even more ideas for information products you can create and sell. And the third question to ask yourself is, Who do I know in my family or circle of friends that has expert knowledge or information we could monetize? Now, we all know people in our network who are really good at doing something. They have insider information or expert knowledge that everyone else wants. For example, I have a friend who is a pilot. Lots of people want to be pilots. I also have another friend who has lost 3 stone in weight, literally, in just 2 months. Everyone kept asking him what was his secret to the weight loss. Now, if you know someone in your family or circle of friends who has expert knowledge and information, you could team up with them to create a top-selling information product. Okay, so you now should have some great ideas as to the type of information products you could sell based on your knowledge or the knowledge of the people who are close to you. If you have an idea and you want my opinion on it, tell me what it is in the comments section below the video and I will give you some feedback. Okay, let me now tell you the type of products and services you can create to sell your knowledge and information. Number 1 is books. Now, you can easily create physical books and ebooks to sell your knowledge. I recommend writing a book that has 10 chapters. Write 3 pages a day until you have 100 pages of content and then sell it online using a self-publishing service. Writing and publishing books is exactly what I did more than 100 times, and the results were incredible. Now, people don't want lengthy non-fiction books. They want books they can read quickly and that give them the information they need to achieve a goal or complete a task. Number 2 is online training courses. This is a great one. So you can literally create and publish an online knowledge course in 1 day. All you have to do is record your course either using your phone or a laptop with a screen recording software package such as Camtasia TechSmith. Then publish and sell your course online using one of the many platforms I will tell you about in the next section of this video. Number 3 is in-person training courses. Now, a great way to impart your knowledge and information onto other people is to run in-person training courses at a local hotel or conference center. All you have to do is create a 3 or 6 hour training course, advertise it on Facebook to the people who live in your area and who have an interest in your subject, and you get paid for every person who attends. Now, the advantage of in-person training courses is you can then sell a high-ticket one-to-one coaching program at the end of the course to those people who have attended. And number 4 is one-to-one coaching and mentoring. Now, one-to-one mentoring services are a great way to charge a higher fee for your knowledge and expertise because you are teaching people on a personalized basis. They get you all to themselves, which means they are then prepared to pay a higher fee for your time. Now, back in 2018, I was charging upwards of $2,000 per client that I taught on a one-to-one basis. Okay, so now that you know the different formats you can sell your knowledge and expertise in, let me tell you where you can sell your product or service online. Number 1 is Amazon. If you are considering writing and publishing a book, sell it on Amazon. Amazon will publish your book, print it, and dispatch it to all of your customers worldwide. It's a great platform where I currently sell all of my books hassle-free. What's even better, you don't have to deal with customer service issues, you get paid every month, and you can even convert your physical books to Kindle ebooks and audio versions too. Number 2 is thinkific.com and udemy.com. Now, if you are going to create and publish an online training course to sell your knowledge and expertise, publish it on thinkific.com or udemy.com. Here you will find easy to follow tutorials on how to create and publish your course in super fast time, and they will deal with all the payment processing for you. Now, these platforms are seamless. You get instructor support, they are easy for your course attendees to use, and again, you get paid monthly. And number 3 is YouTube.com. Now, I teach 95% of my courses and training tutorials right here on YouTube. But wait a minute, I hear you say, how do I get paid when YouTube is a free platform for its users? Well, you will get paid through advertising revenue. You know those sometimes annoying adverts that play at the start of each video? Well, you will get a share of the ad revenue once you are eligible to join YouTube's partner program. Now, on my other channel, Career Vids, I have amassed more than 3 million subscribers, and I earn a fantastic living from the advertising revenue that gives me a superb lifestyle. So there's some brilliant tips and information for helping you to sell your knowledge online. Now, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and find out the intricate details of how to sell your knowledge and set up an internet business, click the link I have provided in the top comment below this video. You can head through to the Internet Business School, where you can get instant access to an abundance of online training videos that will help you to be a hugely successful entrepreneur and business owner. And just finally, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am here to help you start and grow a successful business. I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please give the video a like, because that really does motivate me to create more content for you. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best for starting and growing a brilliant business. Have a great day.